Palak Suba Parliament India Pumba Tauriba election he I know which Nigeria Mafamse Outer Parliamentary Constituency Manungani I was vote Tadar Jarure. A quite swida Hibitare Sida D free and fair winner. Adam vote Tadanay. Aina Haijaningi Election Commission of India da Mari Lainavada Peri Peri the Lairiba Sugunugumba Napat area Aduga Torong Lawina Singba Kumbi Kendragi Singhong Singa the Laiba Say Inak Nakna Kairao Kendragi Singhong Singa the Laiba Adagi Kanoda Akoigi Androda Singhong Singa the Katang Peri Peri Wiba Hibatare Masidadi I free and fair Wigani Hibisit Hazide even Sugunu area the Sumasakang the Visina Pujik no may round Kaya Kapaga what Kadaba Torkadova voters seeing electorate single me pine Roy Sienare Aduna Moi Karana Pulap Namna Nava Masidi Indiagi democracy is well planned Tauraga democracy Hatok never Tova plan. Say example the Hoshida Tawan municipal area da home guard Amatamasu district ka yam district headquarter ga yam na nakna ba haidare district returning officer labor mafam ngahak laita minute mari manga da kamai tauri kamai thadari asi moi rush tauraga SP headquarter ni sigum badana central paramilitary force buying hai thamjalle hujiki hairiba mafam yamna sensitive oiba periphery area sidana home guard kumba karigumba khara thamjalaga ki the sien gi doba kulai mitik sana paidaba mafam dudana home guard kumba karigumba thawjal tawse yamna laibak thibani aidi handaki election si oi mafam khradadi loina tawdaba yai mafam khradadi free and fair election oigadoba ma pung tayat tagina pung mari bok thadagadabani isagi sahi mangagi manungda yamna Tangna Pangba Ganatantric Adhikar Haibatare Isagi right si Mahan Bigano Pumari Tadi Bogi Manunda Isana Apam Symbol da Tokpidana maximum what other view Haiba you of